Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Ford Explorer. First, for your safety, please make sure your Explorer is parked and the engine is running. Next, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth. It is important that your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable, so other devices like your Explorer can find it. This sets the stage for a smooth connection process. Now, let's move to your Explorer's infotainment system. On the touchscreen, locate and press the phone button. From the phone menu that appears, you will want to select the option to add phone or add device. This action makes your Explorer's sync system actively search for new Bluetooth devices, preparing it to connect with your mobile phone. With your Explorer's sync system discoverable, look at your phone's Bluetooth menu. You should see sync appear in the list of available devices. Select it. A 6-digit personal identification number, or PIN, will then display on both your phone and the sync screen. Verify these numbers match, then confirm the pairing. Finally, accept any prompts on your phone to allow sync to access your contacts and messages. Sometimes technology can be a bit stubborn. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your phone and your Explorer's sync system. Another helpful step is to delete any old sync connections from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and the car's system. If problems continue, a master reset of the sync system, found in the settings menu, often resolves persistent issues, allowing you to start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.